Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Zoom on your mobile in 2025. Whether it's for classes, work, or catching up with friends, it's really simple. Let's get started. First, download the Zoom app from the App Store or Google Play and log in with your account. If you don't have one, tap Sign Up and create it. On the home screen, you'll see your main options. New meeting. Start your own video call right away. Enter a meeting ID or link to join someone else's meeting. Schedule, set up a meeting for later with a date and time. Share screen. Let others see your phone screen in a meeting. When you're in a meeting, tap the mic icon to mute or unmute yourself. Tap the camera icon to turn your video on or off. Swipe left or right to switch between gallery view and speaker view. Use the More button for options like chat, reactions, or raising your hand. When you're done, just tap Leave in the top corner to exit the meeting. And that's it. You've just learned how to use Zoom on mobile in 2025. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.